Good morning, good morning. Can you guys see the screen? Can you guys hear me? Good morning, good morning. Yeah, cool. Man, last night we banked on a premium chat and you guys banked with me too. TP hit, which was the daily open. Today's FOMC, which is at 1, and then we have big earnings. Google, Meta, I believe Microsoft, they have earnings after hours. So today could be a huge day, but also could be a very, very, very choppy day into FOMC. As you guys can see from last night, we just been choppy. Even though we're respecting a larger time frame, which is the hourly setup, we wanted to reject here and here. We did. I just need to see a break of this low for continuation to downside. ES did have the break, which is good, but NQ hasn't. Now, if we look at SPY, if we can break the 15-minute low, this is the cherry on top for me to continue shorting. For QQQ, if we can break this 5-minute low, this is my sign to short. So if we get the 5-minute break before the 15 on SPY, I'll go off of QQ and NQ and I'll short it down into previous day low, which is all this sell side liquidity. You guys see all this equal bottoms right here? See if we can go and sweep that. That's what I would look for. But so far, nice rejection, nice sell off the open. We just need to wait for that break. This will be in the hourly, but if we can also break this in the next, at the 15 minutes of the market open, that would be perfect. So we're just gonna wait for that. Okay. Nice sell off. Beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Other than that, who banked with me last night? Who caught those sells with me? That was a beautiful setup. My premium chat, I told them go to sleep. They went to sleep, woke up with profits. Very nicely. Caught a little bit and went to sleep. Nice. Yeah, I woke up at 3. My alert hit right when it was at the daily open, and I sold it. Banked on ES. Nice, bro. QQ's at the 5-minute low now. Nice sell off. I don't want to short just yet because we have these gaps here for upside. So just like yesterday, we came down, filled them, bounced. Nice, SPY selling off. Damn, if we get to previous day low already, it's gonna be insane. It's a nasty sell off. 710 psych level here on SPY though. QQ at the 5-minute low. I see that 710 level hold on SPY. Damn, we're just selling off straight into. Also, this is previous day. This is previous day low and an outside daily. So this can the break of this is big. The break of this is huge, guys. If we break that, that's it. And just write that shit down. I don't even know where we're gonna go after that. I haven't even marked it up. We have this 4-hour low. That was beautiful last night. 1 hour optimal, stayed below the premium on the 4-hour first. Yep, on the 4-hour, then again, and then hourly, and then we got the shift. If you guys remember, I told you guys wait for the shift. Oh, sorry, that was the chat. You guys remember I said wait for the shift and then scale in. That was perfect. That was beautiful. But I did tell you guys on Discord that ES could come into weekly open and we could reject, and that's exactly what it did. 1 minute left here. Let's see what happens. guess he's trying to lead the downside. 20 seconds here. We closed below. Good. We broke below on PPQ. We broke below on ES. This is good. I don't want this to be momentum. I actually want this to retest though. I don't want it to go to outside daily just yet. We are at this hourly imbalance. Please bounce this into this 5-minute break of overnight lows for continuation. Give us a retest, and then we can enter. Right at the daily open, look at that. So wait for 27,195, which is pretty much 27,200 cycle level. If we can get a retest there, that'll be perfect. Beautiful buy to sell also here. Yeah, this looks nice. Nice bounce off the hourly imbalance. Cool. See if we get that retest, guys. We need it to retest here, stay below this. If it pushes up, it can push up to here. Our risk, it's going to be this high here. We're gonna risk that high. And I'll show you guys the risk to reward here. That's what 1 at 3.3. That would be our risk to reward. This is how much we're risking, and this is how much we're willing to make. It looks nice. Cool. Wait for the daily open tap and wait for ES to tap 50%. I wanted to push here, that'd be perfect, but get a reaction here, that'd be nice too. Seems like it doesn't want to get up there. 710 SPY looks like it held. Maybe this 1 minute closes, leaves this imbalance here. That'd be a perfect retest here. Let's see. 25 seconds. Alright, we just tapped into the imbalance. Let's see if ES can at least tap into the 1 minute imbalance for a retest. Which would be right here. This right here would be very, very minimal risk. SPY's rejecting nicely here. Didn't even retest to 50% yet either. Okay, we finally tapped the 50%. ES hasn't retested yet. You don't want to rush today. Today's FOMC, you don't want to rush it. Gotta wait for the perfect setup today. Let's see. I need both of them to retest. Come on, ES. ES is rejecting with no retest. Same with SPY. Low divergence here. Come on. It's either NQ and QQ want to lead, and SPY and ES are lagging, or we're chopping a little bit here and they're going to spike it real quick into the entry we want and then reject it. It's either retest up there or break this and then we can short. Yeah, SPY, ES, they're rejecting here also as well. Gives a quick little spike so they all can retest. Yeah, SPY's trying to lead here. ES trying to lead here to the previous day low. Alright, I'm gonna take NQ sells here. Taking some sells here. I like the momentum kicking in. Let's see if we can ride this down. If it does push up there and stays below the high, I'll scale in. But I like the momentum ES Inspire getting here. Nice, 10 points. Come on, ES. Push that previous day low. We broke the low here. It should be continuation now. Buckle up, buckle up, buckle up. We should get a nice move here now. Come on. You got the break of the low, ES. It's a great time for continuation. Retest this little imbalance here if you need to. And let go after. Just tempt that imbalance. Let's see if it rejects it. 15-minute close below that level I told you guys also. So this is good. We should see a nice move here now. ES is giving me the confirmation of lower. It's gonna go retest. Retest daily open. ES retesting imbalance. This should be it here. ES staying below that imbalance, which is good. Yeah, ES is trying to lead here. Nice, come on. Push it to previous day low. Push it down. We keep rejecting the daily open there, and we keep rejecting that imbalance on ES. She gets a nice momentum here. Yes, I mean not yes. SPY could retest 710.79. And there we are at the fucking retest level. At the premium. ES is not pushing as much as NQ. It's good. ES trying to stay there. QQ retesting daily open here. NQ retested optimal premium. Let's see if it stays below the daily open. That'll be the cherry on top. Nice rejection so far. Yeah, staying below that 1 minute high. SPY is trying to go for that 50%. ES finally tapped it in balance. NQ's at the premium. And we stayed below on ES. Now that we got that 15-minute break though. This is lower. SPY just hit the 50% here. I'm gonna scale in here. I added a little bit more cells. Close above the 5-minute high would be my risk, which would be the next 15-minute high as well. So if I close above that, then I'll stop out. We're at the 50% here. My average is 27,189. ES is the one that's trying to lead us down here, which is good. We just gotta see that momentum kick in. Maybe we get that here at this 30-minute close. It's already closed. Excuse me. SPY retesting daily open here. If they pop it, it would be for ES optimal. To let it go, this is what we'll need. The hourly just closed. Nice rejection so far. We need to get below the daily open here on both NQ and QQQ. SPY rejecting daily open nicely. Beautiful buy to sell retest. Boom, boom, boom. Buy to sell. We just need to see the follow through here with NQ and QQQ now. Come on, catch the momentum below the daily open. Let it go. Cool, we're break even here. It's that damn daily open here. We need to let go of it. I made it in 50 seconds. Made it in 15 here. Come on, stay below the daily open. What I'm thinking here, if we're 10 seconds left, holding the daily open, I really don't want the daily open to hold. Looks like we are gonna hold it here. Yep. Not what we want to see. First TP, we're gonna target down the low day, 27, 127. Oh shit, my shit froze. Sorry, first TP will be the low that pushes up. QQ is below daily open, but NQ is above it. So we need NQ to get below it as well. Because ES looks like it wants to push into the optimal, so I don't like that. I don't like the way that's looking because it can get another push up. And there it goes, a fucking push up I didn't want. As long as QQ's retesting daily open, just needs to stay below it. Nice QQQ, let go of the daily open. Come on, get the momentum. Fucking wrapped up. It's like our entry, our average, it's it's like the support. Come on, yeah, let's get that momentum you were getting earlier, baby. Nice. 10 points. Go and break even. Go break even. Go break even. I'll explain why in a little bit, but go break even. I'll explain right now, but go break even. Go break even. Go break even. I'll explain right now. Just give me a second. Give me a second. Let me watch this. Make sure you guys are break even. Make sure you guys are break even. We got 10 points there, but... click it and slide down to it, right?
Yeah, sure, click it.
So you click it and then you go slide down.
Okay.
I just gotta stop break even. I'm gonna explain why I'm saying break even. Okay, so we got a decent fill. If this goes, it's cool. It goes, right? The reason I'm saying go break even is because so far we can't get below the daily open, but most importantly, ES looks like it wants to have another push up. So ES can push up into the optimal and then reject. So what does that mean for us? I prefer playing it safer, getting stop break even, and getting a better fill up here if ES does decide to push. And it looks like it does want to push because NQ was holding the daily open. So if we get a push in there and then we retest, now we have this inverse value gap, then that's perfect for me. That'll be confirmation for downside. If I miss this down move here, that's okay with me. I just want to rather be safe than sorry, just because the way ES is looking, it's holding that 4-hour premium where it can bounce off of. So I just want to play this smart. Hope you guys understand why I went break even there. And also QQQ has shifted on the 5-minute, but NQ didn't. If you guys look here, we broke the low, we broke it back above the high, so we need to break back below the low here. So that's why I'm going break even. See how this is pushing up now? And then we can get a better fill. And we don't even have to do scale in as much more anymore. Just playing it smart. I've seen this multiple times. I know how it's going to react. And I'll prefer getting a better fill right now once this pushes in here. And if I miss it, cool. I'll just wait for the 5-minute shift to the downside on QQ and I'll re-enter. Does that make sense? Yeah. Yeah, all we need is ES to retest. This is like when you guys ask me how do you know when to go break even, how to take profit, how to stop loss. This is something that you just gotta look at the chart, look at both, and see what it wants, right? We saw that ES was leading at first, right? We saw it was leading to the downside, but then we looked at the 15-minute looks pretty strong. The 5-minute came to retest an imbalance holding. We know that we have a buy to sell on the 15-minute. We also know that we have a 15-minute imbalance that's not tapped yet, and we also know that that's the optimal level. So that's a higher confluence setup here than it is for us here. But now we close below the daily open on NQ. We fill this whole imbalance. So if we get a nice pop, ES up here, a nice pop, then we can get in. We have a better fill and then less risk, right? If we get a fill up here, we're risking less than we were down here. And if we miss this move, that's okay with me. I really don't care about missing a move during FOMC, but I'm confident that we can get here and get a better fill. You know what you're doing. Yep, exactly. FOMC day, you don't want to fuck around FOMC. You guys know that. FOMC day is not one day to fuck around. You gotta be sure of what you're doing. You gotta be sure. There, yep, there's that pop. Yep. See if we can get that 71.65. We'll have a better average. We can go in with our original size and we can let it play out, and then we're risking less now. Okay. And then also QQQ has a small little imbalance here. I don't know if you guys see it right here. So retest that, retest the imbalance. Boom. All right, cool. I'm taking NQ sells here. My foot fell asleep. $27,210.75 is my fill. And now what we need for more confidence here is just to get back below the daily open on NQ, and we're set. Because right now we're retesting the imbalance on QQ and we're retesting the daily open as well. We just need to stay below both of those and we can get a nice slide. And we have a better fill. Let's tap the premium on ES. We're at the premium on SPY as well. Robinhood had shitty earnings, right? It dumped after earnings yesterday, like 9%. That's crazy, bro. It's at the premium of the weekly now. ES rejecting the premium nicely. SPY is 2. We just need SPY to get below the daily open now. Nice. ES is rejecting nicely. NQ's lagging here. SPY and ES are rejecting nicely. We just gotta get below this daily open on SPY now. Beautiful premium tap, beautiful buy to sell. We gotta let go of the daily open and we can see a nice rejection here. Come on, come on. SPY held the daily open. SPY. Let go of the daily open. Approach me. Size you up. Damn, we're really chopping here into FOMC. What a shit show. Alright, let's see. Come on, bro. Huge divergence, and then with chop. No, sir. If the 15-minute close above 27,251 on the NQ, I'll stomp out. It needs to be the 15-minute though. I'll be right back. Previous day high on QQQ. We finally tapped into this gap. 1 hour 50%. Stay below that. If not, it's gonna go into here. It's a long day. Damn, that's crazy. That daily open. If we get this close above, ES is still gonna be below it. Big rain. Well. NQ closed above, ES didn't. Divergence. Holding till ES closes above as well. Just remember that your range on a larger time frame, what I said yesterday, is 500 points. For today, you can focus on the hourly setup from last night to right now. The hourly still active. We haven't gone anywhere. As much as this looks like a lot on the smaller time frame, we haven't gone anywhere. So please don't panic. Please don't stop out off of panic. Make sure you guys are focused on market structure. Make sure you guys are focused on a larger time frame. Be smart, please. It's just choppy from last night, from the open. We just haven't gone anywhere from the open last night. This is gonna be a play that's probably gonna be all day with FOMC. I hope not, but I hope we can get the move with ES here, so that way we can be done. I will have to leave in 25 to 30 minutes, so. NQ and QQ are trying to push. Wow. Yes, it's chilling. The looking Jamaican. What a fucking range, dude. Yes, a daily open. Spies at the high. This NQ want overnight highs. What a push, bro. No retest on that 5. Just fucking rippy. Six minutes left. We're in the gap on QQQ now. We're in the gap. We're in the 1 hour buy to sell. Big ass range from the high to the low. This is your whole range. The damn daily open. We broke below. We gotta stay below that. Just huge divergence today, man. Minute optimal. 30-minute head and shoulder, 30-minute retest of optimal, staying below the 15-minute. U.S. withdrawal of crude oil from Rose in last week. We just filled the whole gap. Oh no, we still got room. Fill the gap from here to here. It's gonna be a long day. So same like last night, we got the sales with confidence off the hourly. It's the same exact setup. We haven't gone anywhere. Same exact setup. Nice. Yeah, it stayed below the 15-minute and it stayed below daily open. That's good. Just gotta see follow through, bro. And Q's hard headed, yeah. Is this larger time from setup here, guys? I'm fucking tired. The first pullback on the 5-minute on NQ. I love ES here. Tap the 30-minute optimal. Reject the 15-minute high. Stay below the daily open. It's a good SPY. SPY also stayed below the 15-minute high, which is good. If we can get a break below here, we'll be good. Gotta put that bullshit on, man. Bullshit on, man. Tory. I'll be back. I gotta start getting ready. I'll be here, but I gotta change shit. Bro, you still rejecting while Enki's pushing? Brother, hey brother, what is going on? Alright, well, I have to head out, guys. I have to go to the dermatologist. But, look, either this is how you guys can play it. I'm gonna tell you how I'm gonna play it. I'm gonna wait for the hourly to break above 27,359. I can risk it. I'm size according to that. If we break above that, I'll completely cut this. If you guys can't afford to cut it up there at the hourly high, then you can wait for ES 15-minute close above 71.74. Now the only thing I would say is if you want to stop out there, just remember the hourly is bearish, 30 minutes bearish, and the 15 minutes bearish. So if you stop out in the 15-minute, your 30 minutes is still going to be bearish. So I'm strictly focusing on the larger time frame, the hourly here. It looks like a big move, but we haven't gone anywhere from last night from open. It looks like a big move, but it's not. Like I said yesterday, the range is about 500 points, so you size accordingly, you hold with conviction. Same way we did last night. We hold with conviction to our TP hit, and it hit. Same thing I'm doing here. It's the same exact setup I took last night off the hourly, and I'm just going to hold it until it gets invalidated. And that's how I'm going to play it. I don't need to I don't need to panic or anything. I'm size accordingly. And FOMC's today, so we already know that FOMC days we usually get manipulation, we usually get some diversions, we usually get a lot of BS, right? So it's really up to you how confident you are in the setup, how confident you are in yourself. And for myself, I'm confident. I'm sized accordingly. I'm not stressing. I'm not tripping. Plus, I made money last night as well. If we are going to scale in, we need to see a shift to the downside on both NQ and ES. I would want to see ES break the 5-minute of 71.62 on the 5-minute low, and then I'll scale in. And I would want to see NQ at least break the 1-minute low, which would be 27.248. And then we're currently at this 27,300 level. We need to stay below it, 27,300, and then shift on the downside, and it's the cherry on top. But till then, pretty much just stuck in this range, just chopping until FOMC. I'll keep you guys updated. My dermatologist appointment shouldn't take that long, but if anything changes, I'll update you guys. But at least you guys know the stop loss, you know the game plan, you know where your stop is, and yeah, what your risk is.